and welcome in to Bon Appetit again. We've got Ed Gannon with us, and for all of you who have ever been to the Vintage Olive, I don't really need to say a whole lot, but I do want you to know some of the wonderful things that they have and do. They have the balsamic vinegar, and they also have the amazing beyond extra virgin olive oil.
That's great.
Premium.
Ultra premium.
Ultra premium. But we're going to talk a little bit today. This is so easy and so healthy. These are some mixes. I love what you've done with this. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, the hand blended seasonings are made for us by a guy in Galena, Illinois, but he doesn't blend them until we order them, so they're super fresh. We have about 30 different ones, and obviously, like we have the seasonings, you put in olive oil for dipping bread.
Right.
We have steak rubs and fish rubs and a little bit of everything, and even the bread dipping seasoning is real popular on putting it on grilled vegetables. Or put it on topping a baked potato with it, or even Carly adds it to her scrambled eggs.
Ooh,
So
that'd be
there's
good.
a lot of different things you can do with all those seasons.
You could put some of this on a prime rib or
Oh yeah, we got a dozen different steak rubs.
Yeah.
They're
Well,
really
what I
good.
love too, Ed, you have recipes.
Mhm.
You have these recipe cards that are absolute. You know, if you're not used to doing this and you need some tips, this is wonderful.
We got dozens of these in house at the store,
Right.
but we also have lots of them on our website, thevintageolive.com, and our Facebook page. Facebook page we kind of call backyard cooking. It's really simple
Okay.
recipes that
Okay.
anybody can do.
Healthy stuff, folks.
Mhm.
Fresh vegetables, good things that are good for you.
Exactly. One of the things we like to do, we roast vegetables in the oven. Sometimes we'll cook them on the grill, and we'll do a big baggie full. And we'll top it off with some of our olive oils and vinegars and seasonings, and just put it in the refrigerator. Then when we make a salad, we can just grab a handful of those really delicious grilled or roasted vegetables and just drop them on our salad.
Yeah, it's all ready, and you're healthy, and you're going to stay thinner, and you're also going to be healthy too. You know, the other thing we were talking about when we're talking about the health aspect, you carry a hand lotion and I think a hand wash. You know, you hear all the time in your beauty industry about olive oil. It's obviously good for your skin, good for your hair. Is there anything it's not good for? I don't think so. So what about your hand wash and your hand lotion?
This is actually my wife's department. She's real good at finding stuff like this because she won't use it unless it's 100% healthy.
Okay.
But it's also it's basically nutrition for your skin. It's a real high quality olive oil base with other nutrients and vitamins and antioxidants. And then we have a hand wash, and then we have some little tubes of cream. So that's all olive oil based. So, and a lot of people on the olive oils that come in want the high polyphenol oil because that's the highest health quality. And they'll take 2 tablespoons on an empty stomach in the morning. A lot of women say they keep a bottle of the high poly oil in the shower and just put a little bit on their hand and just use it like a body lotion.
I have heard that, and I have heard that it is really good for your skin. I've also heard it's good for your hair. So,
So I'm gonna let you have that one. But it's also really good for your stomach and digestion, and it tastes really good. And with 30 different oils, 30 different balsamics, there's endless combinations. You don't ever have to get tired of one dressing, especially when you start adding some seasonings in there with it.
Something else I want you to show them on this little gift set. Okay. You also include information in there. I love this.
Yeah, there's a recipe
Okay.
well, of course, you can pick whatever flavors
combination.
you want. We put Tuscan herb and traditional balsamic vinegar because that's our 2 top sellers. But these are recipe cards and information cards about each individual thing. So you're ready to go.
So when you get the gift pack, then you also get information on what's in that gift pack.
Yes, ma'am.
And you can pick out, like I'd probably do cranberry pear, and I'd do some raspberry and some fun stuff. I love it. I also love the garlic infused.
Yeah, that's a big seller.
I really like that.
That's one of the top sellers for sure.
So for somebody like me, then I get that, or I give that, and then I have all the information on what's in it, different recipes. So it's just ready-made. I love that as a gift.
That's pretty much foolproof.
It is. And everybody I've ever given a gift to, they wind up being a customer. They come in. And I have one friend who every Christmas, thank you, Jenny, gives me great gift, and I love it. So,
Yeah,
you know,
everybody's favorite gift.
you have also, I see you've got olives there too. You have a variety of things here.
Yeah, the olives, we have just plain olives, and we have olive stuff with different things, lemon peel, orange peel, we have chili stuff, garlic stuff, and these are all hand-picked, first crop by one family in Spain. So they're delicious, and even the juice in there we use for like coleslaw.
Oh, great. Nothing goes to waste. I
Oh, it's
love that.
delicious.
I love that. Healthy, no waste.
And another thing you can do, if you want to book us one night for what we call a private
Okay.
tasting, it's a minimum of 12, but you come in, we'll cook a whole spread of food, give you recipes, you ask questions, get to see little tricks of the trade. So we do a bunch of those this time of year.
Wow. So you just call.
Just call and we'll set up a time when y'all can come. We do them at 6 when we're closed. That way you got the whole store to yourself.
Great.
And you can go around and sample stuff, and we'll cook it all up and show you how we do it. And yeah, it's a lot of fun.
How much notice do we need on that?
As long as we got an open date, just a few days.
I love it. I'll see you there. And Ed, thank you so much. And Vintage Olive and Pepper Tree Shopping Center. And you guys are open again.
10 to 6, Tuesday through Saturday.
Okay. Don't miss out on this. And thank you for being with us, and we'll be right back.